You would agree that in this day and age of screens and smartphones, our necks are working overtime. Tech neck refers to the neck pain and damage that occurs because of looking down at screens for an extended period of time. Now, how do we prevent this? There is a very simple rule, the 20-20-20 rule. It says that after every 20 minutes, you should look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This relaxes the muscles of your eyes and the neck. Now, for a lot of people, when they are in a closed room, you cannot look at something that is 20 feet away. For those, you can just simply close your eyes for 20 seconds. It will serve the same purpose and give the same benefits. Combining this 20-20-20 rule with good ergonomic practices, you can preserve your neck and musculoskeletal health while using technology. Also share this information with your screen-savvy friends and relatives.